Hello, today we're going to look at the second section of arithmetic sequences and series, or the second section of chapter 10, rather. It's about arithmetic. Now, arithmetic means adding and subtracting. So all these sequences that we'll see today, they're either they're adding or they are subtracting. So that's what we'll notice is common today. Now, something, I'm going to skip words here and go down here, is what we'll notice is sometimes the sequences, it's like what we'd call a first difference, sometimes a second difference. That means the adding or subtraction has occurred multiple times. Arithmetic means is where we're going to have averages that we'll come up with through this. And arithmetic series, I don't know if I ever clarified in the last video what's the difference between a sequence and a series. A sequence would be like the values 1, 3, 5. Whereas a series would be like 1 plus 3 plus 5, where you're adding the whole list of values together to come up with a final value. So that's kind of the difference you'll see. So let's look at arithmetic sequences. Now this is a sequence, again, because they're separated by commas. But we can notice that something's happening here. These are changing by the values. They're being added 17. Now I know most people think, well, no, it's been subtracted. No, just because they're both negative doesn't mean that. This is like saying I owe someone $53. This one's saying I now owe $36. Well, I made a payment of $17. And again, we see the same thing here. This is what we call a first difference because we're adding it only one time. Remember here where I said there's a first difference, second difference? That means I've been adding the value only one time here to get the same amount. It's 17. So we could actually come up with the next four different. By the way, the common difference means what's it changing by? It's changing by positive 17. So that would be one answer there. When it says what's the common difference, the common difference is positive 17. And we could come up with the next four terms by continuing to add 17. So the next number would be negative 2. And then after negative 2, we'd add 17, we'd get positive 15. Add 17, we'd get 32. And one more time, we would get 49. These would be the next four terms in this sequence. Let's see if this will get smart. There we go. And so now, you try this one. And so here's what it's going to list. These values are the common difference. These would be the next four in the sequence. See if you can come up with the correct answer.